Hello and welcome to another day in the life. You guys have just been loving the recent one, so I'm doing another one. So if you're new to the channel, what do? I'm the reason why you can't buy all these sneakers for retail on the job. So I'm a full-time reseller basically. Not only that, I teach other people how to start sneaker reselling while I run a group, Kaikicks Apprentice, but it's another sale day and also a delivery day, so we're going to take you along. First things first, check this W. Jeez. I got lucky with them. I got exclusive access, so a couple of days before the release. They were retail for like £100 and resale sitting like 200 and something pounds at the moment. Happy days. Probably looks like I keep spawning in Yeezy slides. This package came in today. Why is it so long, man? In length, they're level, and look how much longer this is. These are the eBay dunks, got them on a restock. I think it was Flat Spot, they did a raffle a bit later. Obviously we pinged our members, loads of our members managed to cop these as well. These aren't as profitable as some other sneakers, looking at about £40 profit around. If you're wondering why I got my hood up, it's not to look hard, it's just my trim is absolutely horrible. But yeah, it's another shoe, bit of profit can be made, so cool. So what have I sold? Well, let's find out. Sold some Lost and Fans. Bought these for £310. Another one of these was sold for £390. They just roll out, man. I've got quite a lot of sneakers ship off, but I've also got a lot of preparing to do for an event. If you don't know, Sneakerzone are doing their first UK event in Leeds, and that is on the 29th of January. I'm going to be there at my own table buying up a lot of stock as well. So if you are interested, I will leave a link to buy tickets if you want to go there. This isn't my event, it's just I'm going, so I'm letting you know about it. But I know some of the things they've got in store for the event, and it looks really cool. But yeah, people have their own tables, you can go there to buy. And I think there's still a couple of seller tables as well if you're looking to sell some pairs. But yeah, Sneakerzone in Leeds, 29th of January. Say hello to me, man. Really not feeling the best, man. Oh my god, that was close. This is a UK 8 and this is a UK 9. I nearly jumbled them up, man. That could have gone horribly wrong. Next up, some nice Panda Dunks, UK 10. Sold for £150. Sorted. Easy side Flax 9, sold for 80 quid. I think this is one of our last sesames. I think we've only got one left. These have been selling actually really well since Kanye left. 50 sesame, 11.5, sold for £250. 240 tell a lie. Sorted. Do one mid-fire red. This is actually my last pair. If you heard last video, our group managed to cop these for literally under retail. They did like a discount code. We pinged it to all our members. Not many people knew about it. And yeah, we got loads of pairs of these for like £80. And this one sold for 440, so nice £60 profit. One Yeezy slide out of the 55 I got left. Yeezy slide Onyx is 55 of. I've even got more of other slides, man. Bought these for £60 and these sold for 150. Decent. The UK 7.5 again hit for retail. Sold this one for £260, so a nice £80 profit on them. In terms of shoes, like I don't employ anyone, like it's all just me. It's time for me to have like an assistant or like an apprentice, that'd be good. That's all the sales for today. Like I mentioned before, I think the next step for me to like really scale my business is just to kind of delegate a lot more. And I hate doing it. This is gonna sound really bad, but I heard something that actually, you know, made me open my eyes a bit. And it was one of the main points of how to scale your business. Delegate things other people can do. Focus on the things that only I can do, or you can do if you're looking at your business. I'm the only person that could do these videos because obviously it's Kaikicks. I'm the only person who can run my group, so my main focus is them two things. Other things like editing, shipping off these shoes, admin, all that other stuff technically can be done by someone else. And yes, it'll cost me money to employ someone and so on, but I think if I focused all of my time on only the things I can do, I think overall I'd make a lot more money. So I'm going to try and work on it a little bit more. The biggest one being is editing. Like I edit all of my videos, which takes up literally every single day. If you are an editor and you want to edit videos like this, we message on Instagram, KaiKicks.uk. Paying alright as well. We've got a great month ahead. We'll get these shoes shipped off. I need to prepare for this event coming up because I'm going to have a table there, so I need to decide what stock I'm taking. I'm not doing a massive sneak on 200 pairs. I'm going to take around 60 pairs, basically a car full of all my best stuff. Oh, and before I go, watch my last video. 80% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy this content, just that even one bit, please do consider subscribing. It really helps me out. It motivates me a lot more, and the more subscribers I have, the better content and the more content you're going to get. So please do consider subscribing to the channel. It is free. If you're a real one, turn the notifications on. Never miss a video. I do a lot of other videos like cash outs, how to cop videos, loads of informational stuff for sneakers. So I can promise you will benefit from it. We need to fuel up big time. Currently on the way to drop off these. Got to fuel up first, drop off the shoes, and then we've got to have a lot of stuff to do when we get home. So I will catch you then. Another cup of tea. Shoes have been shipped off. It's actually a day after. Got a deal lined up with a mate, so we're going to meet up with them. We're buying 3 pairs of midnight navies for between like 240 and 260. And yep, this is a realistic day in the life, so we're probably going to spend the rest of the night editing videos. I do get a lot of questions doing YouTube, and obviously the biggest one being, how can I start reselling? Apart from how much money I make, because that's always a big one. Or what advice can you give me as a sneaker reseller? And guys, yes, I do as much information I can through my YouTube videos, but I can't tell you everything via these videos. And that's exactly why I have my group where I teach people how to resell. And that is going to be my biggest piece of advice. Join a cook group. Now, you've probably heard every single social media influencer or anyone who does videos mention this word cook group all the time. And are they just saying this so they can make money? No. Trust me, guys, a cook group is going to speed up your learning process by like 100 times. Think of it this way. Say you have a really small question such as, how should I actually sell my sneakers? Instead of you hunting on YouTube, finding out if it's safe, finding out if you've been scammed or not, or within my group or another cook group, simply drop a message. No, that's a scam. Do this to be safe. Boom, job's a good one. Of course, other things like in my cook group, you're never going to miss a release. Hit on all these restocks that sometimes even happen daily. You're going to learn how to start sneaker botting, or if you're a beginner, you're going to learn how to start manual sneaker reselling. You're surrounding yourself with experienced resellers, and trust me, these are people who are here to help you rather than be against you. Listen, we've had people in the group have no experience within the first couple of weeks, made a couple £100, and then a couple months later, I see them buying bots, and I see them hitting 5-10 pairs on releases. But just surrounding yourself by experienced and successful resellers is gonna really help you out, guys. Without it sounding too cliche, the biggest tip is join a good cook group. As always, mine will be linked in the description below. And you've got to remember, the reason why I started my cook group was because when I first started, when I entered other groups, I felt like my questions were just lost all the time. I was this close to quitting. As soon as I had enough experience, I knew I wanted to make a group. A group that no matter what experience you have, you can ask any question you want and it will get answered. But that's why Kaikicks Apprentice is there, man. Now I need to think of what stock I'm going to take to this Sneakerzone event. I think it's a must. I've got to take all the foam runners. I'll take a couple pairs of Jordan 4s. So you've got the navies, military blacks. And then I think I'll take Travis Scott Phantoms, Amamaniers, and Lost and Founds. And then there's going to be a couple miscellaneous pairs. I'll take a couple Yeezy slides, but not many. Take these bad boys, yeah? There's a funny story about this shoe. But yeah, I'm going to spend the rest of the night editing. Hello. First question you're going to ask, what am I in a dressing gown? I am fully clothed. It's just this part of the house doesn't have heating, so it's absolutely freezing. But look what just came in. Look at this box. You probably can't take me serious right now wearing a dressing gown. I do apologise. But this is how it is in my house. It's just freezing cold. Year of the Rabbit Dunks have arrived, and this box is crazy, man. So it comes with this sleeve. I could have done a whole video reviewing this shoe, but I may as well just include with today. But yeah, the Year of the Rabbit Dunks. Actually, a lot cleaner than I thought they would be. Something I do love about this shoe, it says 2023 on the bottom here, which is pretty cool. Got the rabbit marking here, rabbit on the insole. The tongue and the Nike swoosh is textured. A lot of small details people don't know about. You also do get a set of white laces, which come with a blue and red tip as well, which is pretty cool. And the best part, in my opinion, is this box. I mean, look how they've done that. It looks honestly amazing. Like, this beats like the Amamanier box in my opinion. I'll tell you what, Nike, great job on that. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, we do have a couple cash outs lined up. I have just managed to arrange a couple more, so I'm actually going to make it into a different video, a whole separate video where I'm spending a lot of money. You guys like that sort of videos? I think these retailed for 110. Look at the material used on these, man. It's actually pretty cool. Resale currently sitting around the £160 mark. It might have changed by the time this video comes out. But you know what? I think this one is actually going to go on the shelf. It'll stay on the shelf, I think. I've got some absolute banger videos coming up, guys. So I do want to make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss them. I've got sneaker events coming up. I've got big cash outs coming up. I've got early pairs coming. Taking YouTube to the next level, man. So what is left, I'm now going to arrange stock for the event. And that's it, guys. I do hope you have enjoyed today's video and you want to start learning to resell. Kaikicks Apprentice is your place to go. Good luck in all your releases. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.